Peter.
How does he know how to open up presents? Come on, open it up.
Let's open up your present.
Open it up. Good boy. Tear it. Tear it. Come on. Tear this part.
Open up your present.
Come on. Tear this. Yeah.
Wow. What is it?
Ooh. Oh my goodness. Here, tear this part, Papa.
Tear the top off.
Here, tear it, tear it. Pull it. Pull it. Good boy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here.
Ooh.
Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. That's a cool car. Is that a car for Peter? Whoa. Here, tear this off. Tear it off. Come on, Papa. Good boy. You're so good at opening presents.
Yay.
Poor babe didn't wrap anything for you. I'm sorry. Let's see.
Yeah, it's a car. Yay.
Look at that. Ooh. We just need batteries?
Yeah.
What kind of batteries?
Merry Christmas, Papa. It's your car.
You got a remote control car. You're so cool. I didn't get one of these till I was like, I don't know, 12? Because I don't think they really have any remote control cars. Back in the day, it used to be connected by a, remember, by a cord?
Yeah. It's Mommy.
Oh, don't. Okay.
Let Mommy find some batteries for it, okay? Merry Christmas, Papa.
We love you, puppy dog.
Love you.
We love you, Papa. Look at your car. Woo! Wow, that's a neat car. Woo.